Good morning vlog. I'm getting on the elevator, about to go eat breakfast.
Taurus.
I look even more like a Taurus?
With the poncho, yes. The poncho does add to it.
I think the poncho is stylish.
Yo, what's up vlog? Shout out to Charlotte, Shawty from home. Love you.
As you should.
Miss you.
Aww. Shout out mom and dad. I love you and miss you.
Shout out to my mom. I miss you.
Shout out mom and Frank. Love y'all.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the original environment. Yeah, so they hire.
Someone's making the time.
You don't touch here, you have to touch somewhere in Japan and no more.
Yeah, he does.
You each have your own living space, but yeah.
All my shit is spread out. Like I take up all the space in our room. So I get.
Okay vlog, today was so much fun. I just ended my day with a FaceTime with my mom and Frank. So I'm really happy I got to talk to my parents and end my night in that way. But today was such a good day and I'm so happy that it rained. I've been loving the rain recently, especially like when we were inside the library and doing all those things and watching the rain fall. It was just so beautiful. I'm really grateful for this trip and for this opportunity just in general to be able to come here and do research over something that I'm super passionate about. And yeah, it's just been a great time getting to know the other students on this trip and becoming friends as well. It's been really special, so I'm really grateful and I can't wait to see what else God has in store for the rest of this trip. So super fun. Okay, bye.